Hi Year 7, just a quick video to help you with this week's maths watchwork and the quiz that is on Show My Homework. We're looking at adding decimals, which some of you will be absolutely fabulous at, but it's always nice to practice these key skills for other bits that might pop up later on. So the first question is 2.34 add 3.5. Now, the best way of writing these out is column addition, where all your decimal points are lined up neatly. So I put the 3.5 underneath and 3.5. If you wish to put in a placeholder, that's absolutely fine. It's not needed, but it does help to line them up nice and neatly. So always start from this end. So 4 add 0 is 4, 3 add 5 is 8, my decimal point, and 2 add 3 is 5. So my answer to that one, 5.84. Okay, a little bit more practice. 12 plus 8.65. Now this one is a little bit more tricky to get lined up. So 12, and then the 8 is in the tens column, 0.5. Again, you can put placeholders in wherever there is a number. So 0 add 5 is 5, 0 add 6 is 6, decimal point. 2 add 8 is 10, so that leaves me with a carried. So 1 add 1 is 2. So my answer there is 20.65. Okay, the number's a little bit bigger on this one. 23.5 add 76.32. So I'll line them exactly the same, making sure that my decimal place is in line. So 5 add 2, leaves me with 7. 7 add 3, that's 10. So carried 1 here. 3 add 6, that's 9. Add the extra one, so I make sure I carry a none across. And then I've got 2 add 7, which is 9, and this one, which is 10. I don't need cross because I've got no numbers here, so I can just put my 1 there. So that leaves me with 100.07. Okay. 7.05 add 34. Okay, therefore make sure the 4 goes in the tens column with the 7, and I will put in a couple of placeholders in the decimals. Nothing is 5, 0 add 0, 0. Make sure I've got my decimal point in there. 7 add 4, leaves me 11. And 3 add the 1 that I've just had to carry, leaves me 4. 41.05. Now, this will come in extremely useful if we are looking at money. Okay, so across the top here, I've got 1.75 or £1.75, 60p, 40p, and 80p. So we must make sure we're careful about how we write these down. So I buy a sandwich, which is 1.75, crisps, and a banana. So these are written 0.60 and 0.40. Okay, because this is the tens column, or the 10p's, this would be the pennies, and this is the pounds. So I'm left with 5 just there. 5 add 0 is 5. 7 add 6 is 13. 4 is 17. Carried 1. And 1 add 1, 2. So that lunch would cost me £2.75. Okay, on Tuesday, I decide I'm going to have a sandwich, banana, and a chocolate bar. So I need to know how much I've spent this day. So a sandwich is 1.75. The banana, written 0.40. The bar is 80p, written in the same way. 8 is in the tens column for 80p. So 5 add 0 add 0, 5. 7 add 4 is 11. Add the 8 is 19. So I'll put the 9 there, carry the 1 across, making sure that that decimal point stays in a line. And 1 add 1 is 2. So on that particular day, it was £2.95. Now make sure when you are writing these down on your answer lines, if they're ordered, you will need to include pound sign. So just be careful. Okay, if it's not there already, pop it in so that you know exactly what units you've worked in. Have a go at the questions on MathWatch. Have a go at the quiz on Show My Homework. Good luck. Have fun.